Hello everyone, welcome back to the another Linux tutorial. In this video, we are diving into the link command in Linux, a powerful yet simple tool that a system administrator and a developer can leverage for file management. Let's explore how it works, its option, and some real-world scenarios to make it practical. The link command is used to create a hard link between two files in Linux. A hard link is essential a direct reference to the same data blocks on a disk, meaning both the original files and the hard link shares the same inode number. Unlike symbolic link, hard links are resilient. If the original file is deleted, the hard link still allows access to the data. Let's see the manual page for link command. See the syntax Linux target file space a link name. So let's see some example for hard link creation. Suppose we have a file name report.txt in our current directory. To create a hard link named backup underscore report.txt, let's create a file touch report.txt. I have created a file report.txt. So now I will create a hard link report.txt with a link backup underscore report.txt. Now both report.txt and backup report.txt points to the same data. If we modify one, the changes reflects in the other. This is useful for maintaining the backups without duplicating storage space. When to use link command? You might have wondered why not just use symbolic links. Here is a scenario. You are managing a system where file integrity is critical, such as log files or shared configuration files. A hard link ensures that the file remains accessible even if someone accidentally deletes the original file. Let's see a real world scenario hard link for configuration file. Imagine you are managing an application on a Linux and its configuration file app.conf is updated frequently. To safeguard against accidental deletion, you can create a hard link. So let me create a file in slash. I need to use sudo for that. etc app slash app dot conf. Mm, Let me create in temp tmp slash app dot conf. I created a file. Let us add some data into it. Sample data. I created a file app.conf using sudo. That's why admin user don't have the permission to edit it. Let us edit with the sudo and paste the command, paste the data into it. This is sample data. So let's create a link now slash tmp slash app.conf to a home. I will create in home directory backup underscore app.conf. So we need to run this command with sudo. See, the link is been created now. Even if app.conf is deleted, this file, the hard link ensures the data remains intact and accessible. First, let's see the data in both the file. So here you can see the size of the file, and let us delete this file now. And again check. So this we have deleted, but here you can see the data still remains in hard link file. Let us cat this file. Here you can see the data. The hard link ensures the data remains intact and accessible. Limitation and consideration for hard link. Hard link do have some limitations. They cannot be created across a different file system. For example, you cannot create a hard link between a files on /home/mnt. Hard link don't work for directories as they could lead to file system loops. Always check the file system of your target and link location before using the command. So how to verify hard link? ls-i report.txt and backup underscore report.txt. This we have created a hard link. We are checking the data. Let me run ls-il. Here you can see the inode number matches. ls command with the option -il sees the inode number. If the inode number matches, then you have successfully created the hard link. So this is how we create a hard link, and that's it. The link command in action. It's a simple yet effective tool for managing file reference on Linux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.